This is the complete guide to n8n, the open-source workflow automation platform that gives technical teams the power of full code with the speed of no code. n8n, pronounced n8n, is a Faircode licensed platform you can self-host for free with unlimited executions, unlimited workflows, and unlimited users. By the end of this video you will understand exactly how n8n works, how to choose between self-hosting and the cloud plans, how the execution model differs from Zapier and why it matters for cost, how to build AI-powered workflows using the AI agent node, what code nodes do and when to use them, how to use Git integration for version control on your automations, every pricing tier and the honest self-hosting cost reality, and how n8n compares to Zapier, Make, and specialist AI tools. Let us get into it. n8n is an open-source, Faircode licensed workflow automation platform. Faircode means the source code is publicly available and free to self-host for internal use, but commercial redistribution requires a license. You build automations in n8n's visual node-based editor, a canvas where you drag, drop, and connect nodes. Each node is a unit of functionality, a trigger, an action, a logic branch, an AI call, or a custom code block. n8n has over 400 native integrations covering the major business apps, plus an HTTP request node that connects to any API that exists. Code nodes let you inject JavaScript or Python directly into any step, no workarounds, no third-party logic layers. And n8n is AI native, LLM nodes, the AI agent node, and vector store integrations are built into the platform. n8n 2.0, released in December 2025, brought enterprise security by default, improved AI agent performance, and better scalability for high-volume deployments. Here is every major n8n feature. Visual Node Editor, a canvas where you build workflows by connecting nodes visually. Trigger nodes initiate the workflow, webhook, schedule, app event. Action nodes do the work, API calls, database writes, message sends. Logic nodes branch, filter, merge, and transform data. Code nodes inject JavaScript or Python at any point in any workflow. This is a genuine differentiator. When no native node does exactly what you need, you write the logic yourself without leaving n8n. AI agent node, build autonomous LLM-powered agents with access to tools, memory, and multi-step reasoning, all configured visually within your workflow. LLM nodes connect to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Grok, and any OpenAI-compatible endpoint including local models. Vector store nodes connect to Pinecone, Drant, Weediate, and Supabase, enabling visual RAG pipeline construction. Git sync, version control your entire workflow library with Git. Track changes, roll back to previous versions, and collaborate without overwriting. Self-hosted Community Edition, free, unlimited, and running on your infrastructure. 400 plus native integrations, an HTTP request for everything else. The execution model is the single most important concept to understand about n8n pricing. On Zapier, every action step that fires in a zap uses one task. A 10-step zap that runs 1,000 times uses 10,000 tasks. On Make, every module that fires uses one operation, same principle. On n8n, an execution is one complete run of your entire workflow, start to finish, regardless of how many nodes fire inside it. A 20-step workflow running 1,000 times uses 1,000 executions on n8n versus 20,000 tasks on Zapier. This gap widens dramatically as workflow complexity increases. For teams migrating from Zapier, divide your monthly task count by the average number of steps per workflow to estimate n8n executions needed. Most teams find they need far fewer executions than they expected. The self-hosted Community Edition adds a third option: run n8n on your own server and pay nothing for executions. A $4 a month Hetzner VPS running Docker covers most individual and small team automation workloads entirely. Here is how to get started with n8n. The fastest path is a single Docker command. Step 1. Install Docker, then run docker run -rm-p5678:5678 n8neo/n8n. n8n opens at localhost :5678 within 30 seconds. This is the quickest way to test n8n before committing to a production setup. Step 2. For production, use Docker Compose with a PostgreSQL database and a named volume to persist your workflows and credentials. Add an HTTPS reverse proxy, Jinx or Caddy, in front of n8n so it is accessible securely over the internet. Step 3. Set your encryption key using the n8n_encryption_key environment variable before first launch. This is the most critical setup step. Back this key up securely. If you lose it, your encrypted credentials cannot be recovered. Step 4. Import a template from n8n's library at n8n.io/workflows. Over 1,700 templates are available. Start with a simple webhook to Slack notification to understand how data flows between nodes before building complex workflows. The AI agent node is n8n's most powerful AI feature and the one that separates it from simple LLM call tools. Step 1. Add an AI agent node and connect your LLM provider. n8n supports OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, Grok, and any OpenAI-compatible endpoint, including local models running through Llama. Step 2. Define the agent's system prompt and goal. The quality of your system prompt directly determines the reliability of the agent. Describe the task precisely, specify the output format, and set explicit constraints. Step 3. Connect tools. Any other n8n node can become a callable tool for the agent. Connect an HTTP request node and the agent can browse the web. Connect a Gmail node and it can read and send email. Connect a database node and it can query and update your data. The agent decides when to call each tool based on the task. Step 4. Add memory. A window buffer node gives the agent memory of the last in messages in a conversation. A vector store connection gives it long-term semantic memory across sessions. Together, these turn a single-turn LLM call into a persistent, context-aware agent. 2 features that explain why developers choose n8n over every other automation platform. Code nodes, write full JavaScript or Python directly inside any workflow step. Not a sandbox with limitations, full Node.js execution with access to NPM packages via require. Use them for complex data transformation that no formatter node can handle, custom API authentication patterns, calculations and business logic that need code rather than visual configuration, and anything else that falls outside what the native nodes do. There is no need to host a separate function, build a separate microservice, or call an external Lambda. The code runs inline in your workflow, receives the data from the previous node, and passes transformed data to the next. Git sync, version control your workflow library using Git. Push to GitHub or GitLab, track changes across your team, roll back to any previous state, and share workflows between n8n instances. This is available on the business plan and above, and it is the feature that makes n8n viable for production engineering teams that need audit trails and change management on their automations. For developers and technical teams, n8n replaces an entire layer of custom scripting. Internal API orchestration, chain together multiple API calls with custom transformation logic between each step, no separate middleware service needed. Data pipelines, extract from any source, transform with JavaScript or Python code nodes, and load to any database or API, a visual ETL that runs on your infrastructure. AI agent infrastructure, build LLM agents with tool access and memory on your own server, with full control over which models you use, what data leaves your environment, and how the agent behaves. Webhook processing, receive webhooks from any service, validate and transform the payload with code nodes, and route to the right downstream system. Schedule jobs, replace ad hoc cron scripts with visual, debuggable, version workflows that have execution history and error alerts. Database sync, data enrichment pipelines, CI/CD automation, all buildable without a separate infrastructure layer. n8n requires more setup than Zapier, but it handles more complex workflows once built. Here is where non-technical teams run it successfully. Lead enrichment, every form submission triggers a workflow that enriches the lead with AI research, scores it, and adds the enriched record to the CRM. Support automation, every new ticket is classified by AI, routed to the right team, and gets a draft reply generated, all before a human agent reads it. Content operations. One publish trigger distributes formatted content to 5 different channels simultaneously, each receiving the format appropriate for that platform. Invoice processing. A new invoice email attachment is read by the workflow, AI extracts the vendor, amount, and due date, and the record is added to the accounting system without manual entry. Sales intelligence, HR onboarding, weekly reporting, customer notifications, all standard n8n use cases for business teams who have a developer to set them up. Self-host versus cloud is the most important decision you will make about n8n, and it comes down entirely to your team's technical capacity. The Community Edition self-hosted is free. Unlimited executions, unlimited workflows, unlimited users on your own server, with full control over your data. All 400 plus integrations are included. The cost is your server infrastructure, typically $5 to $20 a month depending on workload and the time to set up and maintain the instance. For teams comfortable with Docker and a basic VPS, self-hosting is almost always the right economic choice. n8n Cloud removes all infrastructure responsibility. n8n manages the server, updates, backups, and uptime. Starter at $24 a month gives you 2,500 executions, enough for light automation on simple workflows. Pro at $60 gives you 10,000 executions. Business at $800 adds SSO, Git sync, audit logs, multiple environments, and 40,000 executions. EU data residency in Frankfurt is included on all cloud plans. Enterprise with unlimited executions and custom compliance features requires contacting sales. Here is what teams are actually running in n8n right now. A SaaS company with over 200 production workflows running on a self-hosted instance, their automation software cost is zero. A development agency uses Git sync to build client automations on a branch, merge to main for delivery, and hand over the full version-controlled workflow library. A healthcare team runs n8n self-hosted specifically because patient data cannot leave their own infrastructure. HIPAA compliance is built into the architecture. An AI startup built their entire RAG pipeline in n8n, document ingestion, text chunking, embedding calls, vector store writes, and retrieval, all as a visual workflow. An e-commerce team processes every order event through an 8-step enrichment workflow that classifies, routes, and notifies without a single manual step. A solo developer runs 15 personal automations on a $4 a month VPS. Total automation software cost is $4 monthly. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Zapier, n8n wins on self-hosted free unlimited executions, per execution cloud billing, code nodes, and AI agent depth. Zapier wins on easiest setup, 8,000 native app integrations, and Copilot. Versus Make, n8n has free self-hosting, full code nodes, and native AI agent nodes. Make has a simpler visual interface and cheaper cloud plans for straightforward workflows. Versus Active Pieces, n8n has a more mature platform, larger community, and deeper AI integration. Active Pieces is MIT licensed and has cheaper cloud pricing. Versus LangChain, n8n has a visual builder that requires no Python, plus 400 native app integrations. LangChain provides more flexibility for complex AI framework customization. Versus Power Automate, n8n is free to self-host and more open. Power Automate is free with Microsoft 365 and has deeper Microsoft Stack integration. The honest summary, n8n is the clear choice for technical teams who want maximum automation power with minimal recurring cost, full data sovereignty, and the flexibility to build complex logic without workarounds. 8 things that make n8n significantly more effective in production. 1. Set your encryption key before you create any credentials. Back it up to a password manager immediately. Losing it means losing all stored credentials. 2. Use PostgreSQL as your database in production. SQLite, the default, fails under concurrent load and is not suitable for production workloads. 3. Configure a dedicated error workflow in n8n settings. This catches every workflow failure and sends you a notification, the difference between knowing about a broken automation and discovering it weeks later. 4. Put if nodes as early as possible in every workflow. Filtering out irrelevant triggers before expensive API calls or AI steps directly reduces execution resource usage. 5. When no native node does exactly what you need, go straight to a code node. Chaining 5 workaround nodes to avoid writing 10 lines of JavaScript wastes time. 6. Enable Git Sync as soon as you are on a plan that includes it. 7. If you are on n8n Cloud, remember that one polling trigger every 5 minutes burns through 8,600 executions a month on its own. 8. Start every new automation from a template in n8n's library. It is faster to modify an existing workflow than to build from scratch. n8n pricing, every option explained. Community Edition is free. Self-host on any server and get unlimited executions, unlimited workflows, and unlimited users. All 400+ integrations, code nodes, and AI nodes included. You pay for your server infrastructure, typically $5 to $20 a month. Cloud Starter is $24 a month, managed hosting, 2,500 executions, 5 active workflows. A 14-day free trial is available with no card required. Cloud Pro is $60 a month, 10,000 executions, 15 active workflows, and workflow history for debugging. Cloud Business is $800 a month, 40,000 executions, SSO, Git Sync for version control, multiple deployment environments, and audit logs. A startup discount at $400 a month is available for companies with fewer than 20 employees. Enterprise is custom pricing with unlimited executions, custom compliance and data residency, and dedicated support with SLAs. My recommendation: self-host community. If your team has any DevOps capacity, the economics are dramatically better. Use Cloud Starter for quick testing. Move to business when you need SSO, Git Sync, or compliance features. Here is everything you need to start. Self-host for free. The GitHub repository is at github.com/n8nio/n8n. Docker compose files and instructions in the repo. Cloud trial. Go to n8n.io/pricing. 14-day free trial on Starter and Pro. No card required. Templates. Over 1,700 ready-to-import workflow templates at n8n.io/workflows. Community. 45,000+ members at community.n8n.io. One of the most active automation communities available. All links are in the description below. If this guide gave you a clear picture of what n8n can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. The teams running n8n right now are building automation infrastructure that costs a fraction of what closed-source alternatives charge. Now go self-host something. See you in the next one.